Hey everyone, this video is going to be helpful for anybody who needs to decrease a video size, make the video size smaller without decreasing the quality. I've gotten a couple of emails about this asking me how to do it, so I figured that I'd just make a quick video and show you how. Even though this video is going to be helpful for anybody who wants to do it, I am going to talk specifically about Outschool teachers in this video to show you how you can use this as an Outschool teacher. But whether you're an Outschool teacher or not, there's a reason you're here. You want to learn how to compress your videos to make them smaller, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jillian from JillianShanahan.com. On this channel, I show you how you can make money as an online teacher, how you can earn an income working from home as an online teacher. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you're subscribed and smash that bell notification. Okay, so Outschool teachers, you are going to want to know how to do this for a couple of different reasons. First of all, you have your application video. You go to apply, you make your application video, you go to submit it, and it's like, oh, the file is too big. And you try to shorten it, you cut some parts away from it, you do whatever you can, and it says to shorten it. And then you end up having to redo. Tell me in the comments here, how many of you had to redo your application video in the Outschool website with their terrible camera quality and redo the entire thing because you were not able to upload it. You're also going to want to learn how to do this so that you can post videos that you record directly into the classroom or send them as a private message to a student or a parent. You can also do that as an unlisted video on YouTube. There's reasons you may or may not want to do that. I will talk about that later, but this is another option. It's good to have options. So first, you're gonna go on your computer and you're going to download Handbrake. Once it's downloaded, you're ready to go. So click on Open Source. From there, go through your videos and choose the video that you want to compress. So this is going to be your fully edited video, like the one that's ready to go that you want to upload. You're ready, you want to make it smaller so you can use it. This is the video that you're going to choose. You're probably going to need to change the presets that are in there. For Outschool purposes, you are going to want it at Vimeo, YouTube, 720p 30. So click preset, go down to web, and then you're going to select Vimeo, YouTube, 720p 30. And then in format, make sure that it is in MP4. This is the one you're going to want it in for Outschool. Scroll down where it says save as. I would recommend to change this name so it's easy to find and it's not like a duplicate or a confusing too close to the other one that you have. So just go ahead and give it a different name so you know which one to choose when you're going to upload it. And then just go right up to the green start arrow and click start. Once it's done, you'll get a little notification that pops up. Only takes a few minutes. It's pretty quick. And if you have a whole bunch, like say you're doing a flex course and you have a whole bunch of videos that you want to compress all at once, you can do that by adding them to the queue. Choose all the videos you want, click start, and then boom, 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 boom. It'll just do them all right in a row, and you can walk away and come back to it later and then upload your videos for your flex classes or whatever you are doing with them. Now, Outschool teachers, I do have another quick tip for you. This doesn't apply to your application, but once you're in, if you start posting videos in the classroom, it will apply to you there. When you go to post your video, you're gonna see two different options. One says add video and one says add file. You wanna make sure that you're adding it as a video and not a file. Either way is still going to put it in the system. However, if you add it as a video, it's actually going to show as a video, like a playable video on the screen instead of just a little link. If you choose to add it as a file, then you're just gonna get the little link there and it's less noticeable for students. They're less likely to watch the video. It's not as convenient for students. Same thing goes for in private messages to either students or their families. You want to make sure that you're adding it as a video and not a file so that it actually shows the playable video in the box. It looks nicer, it's less confusing for students, and students are more likely to watch it. And if you're wondering why you would want to compress a video and add it directly like this as opposed to just adding an unlisted YouTube link, there are a few reasons. There are pros and cons to both reasons, but there are a few reasons why you might want to upload your video direct. I actually use a combination of both depending on what my reason for posting the video is. For all classwork, I post it directly into the classroom. First of all, like I said, if you are posting it as a link, it's just going to be a link. It's going to say like, click here to play YouTube video. It's not going to show the video. They have to click the link. When you put it in there as a video attachment, it looks so much nicer in the Outschool classroom, and it's just, it's more, I don't know, it looks better. It just looks better. Second of all, if you have students in areas that cannot access YouTube, such as China, and some of you might have Chinese students on the Outschool platform, I know I do, it is not very nice to give them materials that they can't access. You want everybody in your classroom to be able to access them equally. And the same thing goes for students that are learning on devices that do not support YouTube. Some of the parents are putting their children in Outschool classes, and they're taking away YouTube privileges on their school devices because YouTube is distracting, and they want to make sure their kids are actually doing their work and not just watching cat videos. Whatever the reason is, now you've got options. You know how to do your application video and compress it so that it fits into your application, and you know how to add videos into the posts so that they will fit in the Outschool classroom. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. I will see you guys all later. Bye guys.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my